Querer. All right. Querer, which is usually translated as to want, also translated as to love. Yo quiero, tú quieres, él, ella, usted quiere, nosotros, nosotras queremos, ellos, ellas, ustedes quieren. Express desire or the willingness to do something, and also expresa amor o afecto, and also express love and affection. You see the difference. Yo quiero un sándwich con jamón y queso para comer con mi café. También quiero ganar la lotería, pero eso es solo un sueño. I want a sandwich with ham and cheese to eat with my coffee. And I also want to win the lottery, but that's just a dream. Más ejemplos. El gato quiere jugar con el pez. The cat wants to play with the fish. Queremos un mundo mejor para todos. We want a better world for everybody. And now when we talk about affection, love and affection. Yo quiero mucho a mis gatos. Los quiero como si fueran mis hijos. So I love my cats very much. I love them as if they were my kids. Okay? So this los substitute the word cats, right? I love, quiero means I love, y los is them. I love them, so I don't have to repeat cats again, very much. This is a little more advanced. You're just giving you a clue on how to identify this and what this los, las, because it looks like a type of los, las that you probably know already. We're gonna get to that later on. Right now, don't focus so much on how to use them all the time. Focus on understand them when you read them or listen to it and see the context, okay? When we use like this, los quiero, it's because I'm talking about something previously mentioned, all right? I love them as if they were my kids. Now, se quieren, this means each other, right? Mis hermanos se quieren. My siblings love each other. And we can use, besides se and los, we also have me, te, lo, la, los, las, nos. Okay, I'm gonna see a little bit of the example. But also in our group class, in our one-on-one class, on the comments, you can ask me a little bit more about this. But like I mentioned, we're gonna step by step, right? And we're gonna see how to use them later on. Right now, focus on understand them. Te quiero means I love you, right? Remember, quiero is yo quiero. Te, this te means you in this context, just like goes before, and English goes after. So te quiero means I love you. Yo quiero a mis amigas. Las quiero porque son muy especiales. So I love my friends. I love them because they are very special. Okay, so yo quiero a. Okay, when you say yo quiero a, the next word is either an animal or no. Let's say like this way. When you use yo quiero a, is because you are now using I love and not want. This is the difference here. Queremos un mundo mejor. El gato quiere jugar. Yo quiero un sándwich. Quiero ganar la lotería. We don't use an A here. Now, when we are talking about love, so we use yo quiero a mis amigos, a mis padres, a mi país, my country. Decimos examples. Él quiere mucho a su hijo, lo quiere más que a cualquier otra persona en el mundo. So he loves his son very much. He loves him. Now that lo is substituting hijo. Okay, lo quiere mucho, loves him more than any other person in the world. Los novios se quieren mucho. This is each other. The couple, los novios, it would be the couple love each other. Now here we're gonna see actually the different in the same example. María quiere a su caballo. Okay, María has a horse and she loves him. María quiere a su caballo. Ahora, here when you say María quiere un caballo, now this doesn't mean love, it means want, desire for something. María wants a horse, which means that she doesn't have a horse. She wants one. And in the first one again, she loves her horse. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing to my videos. That really helps me to create more and better content. I invite you to join the Spanish Language Hub, which is absolutely free. Here, you will have access to several resources, including unedited videos, audiobooks, exercises, flashcards, and regular interaction with me. We will also have Q&A and conversation sessions live on Zoom twice a month. Again, all of this 100% free. I look forward to see you there. Adios.